The autonomous region of Bougainville floats in the Central Pacific to the north of the Solomon Islands and to the east of Papua New Guinea. A wild island strangled by encroaching jungle, exploding with a tumultuous past, and ready for a promising future as it straddles the bridge to its own independence from Papua New Guinea. Brimming with a deeply etched scar from the civil war that rocked the nation, it is home to some of the world's most untouched cultures, practices, and traditions. A nation that has been hidden from the world for so long in a cloud of controversy and tribal clashes. It is now time for Crooked Compass to introduce you to what will be the newest country on the planet. On our Bougainvillean Siwai Cultural Show tour, you'll be thrown into the past with turbulent scenes from World War II to more modern-day history surrounding the Panguna mine and the Civil War. Tanks, bunkers, artillery and shipwrecks, home to pristine beaches, traditional hairdressers and sing-sings, and a cultural show born out of pride. Everyone in Bougainville has a story, and the new generation are breathing new life into this isolated island. The Upe are the true Indigenous tribe of Bougainville. Only a handful remain. Only a few travellers have ever had the privilege to be welcomed into their remote world. The Siwai Cultural Show is a celebration of the unique cultural, historical and natural wonders of the Siwai district. Embrace the colours, the swishing of grass skirts and the power of local patriotism. Venture down another historical path as you hike to the World War II crash site of the military plane carrying Admiral Yamamoto, who was gunned down by Allied forces in 1943. This is a moderate tour, suitable for history buffs through to the cultural purists, from nature lovers to adventurous souls. Travelling through Bougainville will break down barriers, open your heart and mind, and leave you a more learned traveller with a yearning to go back and discover more.